a Cary High student in Youth for Diversity, a grade 12 student. Welcome up to the mic, Misha.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Misha Jackson, and I identify myself as straight. I know that isn't a big surprise to you because, anyone says that they're straight. But I just want to share my experience having gay friends, queer friends. I just want to share my experience. Well, it all started one day in September when I was walking with my good guy friend, and then I'm just like, I like you. And he's just like, I can't return those feelings to you. And I'm just like, why not? And he's just like, because I'm gay. And I was like, so sad. I'm just like, but I like you. What? I like you. Yeah. and then I found out that most of my friends I hang out with are queer, like gay, lesbian, bisexual, something like that. So I was just like, I just like, genderqueer. Yeah, genderqueer. And I was just like, I should find out more about this. So I joined Y4D, and that's how I found out. And the stories they share of like just people being so rude to them and mean, and the stories that they share is just, I don't know how they do it every day. And yeah, I've just got to know these people, and they're like the nicest people I have ever met. They are very open, very compassionate, and very focused on being kind to people and doing what's right. And that's what I hope that you guys do what's right. And yes, so me and that guy friend, we are very good friends right now. Very good friends. And we ask each other fashion advice, because if you know, I'm very feminine, I'm very in touch with my femininity, and yeah, people think that I'm a lesbian because of that. And I'm just like, how should the way I dress determine my sexuality? It doesn't make sense. Like, I have this huge purple coat with flowers on it. I don't know if you guys seen me wear it before, but that is awesome. And I don't know why people think I'm a lesbian because I wear that. I don't get it. I just don't get it. Excuse me. Yeah, anyway, I just wanted to say that this is an amazing event. Thank you for inviting me up here, and I love you all. Good day.